Hey everybody, it's Kay, and this is Pampered Chef Recipes with Kay, and this weekend is my birthday. I love birthdays. Doesn't matter whose it is. We gotta celebrate. But I don't need a whole entire cake, and we may be doing some running around, so I thought cookies would be perfect, and I just wanted something easy. So I'm going to be making 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies today, and the 3 ingredients are peanut butter, 1 egg, and sugar. So, yeah, kitchen's a mess. Do not look. But I'm gonna get started here. Oh, I forgot to show you. I got a new shirt. I don't know if you can read the back or not, but a side hustle with heart. Pampered Chef, a side hustle with heart. I love it, and this is a great shirt, very light for summer. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to use my mini measure-all for the peanut butter. So let's load the peanut butter into that. And I'm using creamy peanut butter today. Most days, most all the time I use creamy peanut butter. You can use crunchy if you want to. It doesn't matter at all. And mini measure-all cup is perfect for this because you just smush it out of the cup when you're done. Just got to work on getting all those air pockets out. Like that one right down there. There we go. Okay, that's better. Okay. Almost. Use all that peanut butter. Okay, hold on. So, see where it says 1 cup right there, but it's not even all the way around. So I'm going to bring it up just a smidge bit and then finish filling. Because got to have all the peanut butter, right? Okay. So all of the peanut butter. Smushed in there. Good deal. All right. So, fancy trick into our classic batter bowl. Just goes like this. Pop it on out. And there we are. And I have a 1 cup prep bowl to measure our sugar out in. And then I'm going to break our egg into that 1 cup prep bowl as well. Because you don't want shells in your cookies. That would be bad, right? Okay, there. Perfect. You can see. No clumps in the sugar. No clumps in the sugar. No clumps in the sugar. And yes, we want just a smidge bit over there. Okay. Still room. Gotta add more sugar. There we go. Alright, 1 cup of sugar into the bowl. And then 1 egg. Brown egg, white egg, otherwise egg. Doesn't really matter. Just don't use, ostrich eggs, or that'll be huge. And I'm glad I did that into that bowl. Oh, we're good. No shells. Woohoo! Okay. So, we'll dump that into my classic batter bowl as well. In the meantime, my oven is preheating to 350 degrees. And I'm going to need to get another prep bowl because I like to roll my cookies in sugar to keep them from sticking when they're on the pan. I'm going to use the stone cookie sheet today. It's a 9x13 stone, and this is on my list of favorites for my camper. So we use it in our camper in the oven because those little bitty camper ovens are so weird. I'm getting the other prep bowl. And they don't heat evenly. And so putting that stone in there really helps. Okay, you're going to see how fast this stuff. Okay, so I put about another 1/4 cup of sugar into this prep bowl, and we're going to go over here and to the less messy part of the kitchen and take a look at our stone and get ready for the oven. So, hope you guys are having a good end of summer. It's August, and we are busy doing here at our house, like I said, birthday weekend. Oh, that's just in time for cookies. I'm sure he'll be happy to taste test for me later. So, anyway, make them into little balls, and they're going to be really soft. Really, really soft. And then I roll them in that sugar again, and then put them down on the pan, just like that. So, I'm going to do that over and over and over again. So, yeah, we're at the end of summer. We have not taken any major summer vacations. We have been exploring Washington from our apartment. I did go to a Pampered Chef conference this summer in July. That was fun. And we've had family come visit us. Oh, the oven is preheated. So there's that. We've been hiking a lot, and I don't know if you guys have checked out my hiking channel or not, but it's Happy Trails Hiking, so you can check that out on Facebook and on YouTube. There's more on YouTube than there is on Facebook for that one. And, oh, you can check it out on Instagram too. There's some pictures out there, and you can meet our stuffed turtle trekker. Oh, so we've been doing some trips and hiking and things out here in Washington. And there's that. So what do you think of this 9x13 pan? I'm going to need to make those a little closer together. I need to fit a whole dozen on here. So, yeah, what do you think about this 9x13 pan? And what do you think about our new season? Came out in March. We've got new season coming out again soon. My favorite things from our from our August sales are the bakeware. So the bakeware sets, Brilliance bakeware sets, they're fantastic. I really, really like that all the pans come with lids, except for the baking sheet that has a rack that comes with it. So that's the exception to the lid thing. I'm getting sugar everywhere. That's what paper towels are for, or sponges, or whatever. Anyway, so getting these ready to take on whatever trip we have this weekend. And headphone fell out. Try that again. There we go. Anyway, so this recipe makes just over a dozen, obviously, so I've got a little bit of dough left. But these are gluten-free, and of course it's just peanut butter, sugar, and an egg. Anyway, so there's our cookies. Rinse off my hands real quick. Okay, now, stereotypical for your peanut butter cookies, you need to cross-hatch them with forks. So, real quick and easy, just like that. And with the sugar that you put on top, oops, doesn't stick to the fork. Unless you poke the fork into the cookie, like I just did. Okay. All right, these are going to go in the oven for 12 minutes, and then I will put a picture at the end of the video for the YouTube video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.